How to copy key at Walmart. Are you in need of a copy key at Walmart and wondering if Walmart offers key copying services? The answer is yes. Walmart provides key copying and cutting services in-store at their Minute Key kiosks. This self-serve option is a convenient way to duplicate your keys, without having to visit a locksmith or hardware store. Minute Key kiosks are available in most Walmart stores, making it easy to get a copy of your key while you're out running errands. The process is simple and straightforward. Select the type of key you want to copy, insert your original key into the machine, and follow the on-screen instructions. In just a few minutes, you'll have a brand new copy of your key. Walmart Copy Keys. Walmart cuts and duplicates keys in store. Walmart offers cheap and fast key replacements. Walmart duplicates these essential types. Walmart duplicates residential building keys. Walmart's key cutting equipment can copy these simple keys. Walmart copies transponder keys and key fobs. But, not all Walmart stores provide this service, so call ahead before your visit. Walmart will help you replace a lost padlock key. Walmart can replace your padlock key. Walmart may replicate safe keys. Nevertheless, not all Walmart stores provide this service, so check your local Walmart before your visit. Walmart does not copy, do not duplicate, keys. To protect customers, Walmart duplicates several key types easily and cheaply. Walmart has replacement keys. Walmart key copying cost. Minute Key kiosks in Walmart copy and cut keys. Walmart copy key prices vary by key type and shop location. Cost breakdown. Key cost. Standard key $2 to $6. Vehicle key $20 to $60. High security key $50 to $100. Not all Walmarts copy keys. Walmart's website offers a Minute Key kiosk finder to find out whether your local Walmart has one. Walmart also charges more for key copying. Customers who need a spare key quickly choose Walmart's key copying services because they're convenient and trustworthy. Walmart key copying. Minute Key kiosks simplify Walmart key copying. Steps are: Minute Key kiosks are outside most Walmarts. Find the Minute Key kiosk. Input key. Put the key to copy into the self-service slot and hit Start on the kiosk. The kiosk scans and displays the key. Choose your main design from the screen. The kiosk sells decorative, automobile, and residential keys. Copy count. Touch screen selection. Duplicate any key. Pay for copies. After selecting, the kiosk will display the total cost. Credit, cash is accepted. Wait for your copies. The kiosk copies for a few minutes. Walmart will get your copy key tray from the kiosk. Walmart copies keys quickly and cheaply. Minute Key kiosks make high-quality key copies in minutes. Walmart receipt lookup broken. Walmart key copying tips. Tips for Walmart key copying. Not all Walmart locations use Minute Key kiosks. If local Walmart has a kiosk, check Minute Key before you go. The website may also locate nearby Minute Key kiosks. Bring the original key to produce an exact duplicate. Clean the key to improve machine precision. Choose the proper key. Minute Key kiosks can copy most conventional keys, including home, vehicle, and padlock keys. The kiosk may not work with high security or electronic chip keys. Ask Walmart or Minute Key help whether your key can be cloned. The Minute Key kiosk will walk you through key copying. Follow the steps and double-check the key before paying. If you make a mistake, you may have to start over or buy another copy. Keychains cost extra at Minute Key kiosks. A keychain can organize and protect your new key. These strategies will make Walmart key copying fast, easy, and accurate. Conclusion. Walmart makes key duplication easy. Walmart Minute Key kiosks duplicate home, garage, safe, and bike lock keys. Each key costs $2. Remember that Minute Key kiosks cannot duplicate car keys, school building keys, high security keys, or other, do not duplicate, keys. Locksmiths can reproduce keys Walmart cannot. Key duplication at Walmart is fast and affordable. Before utilizing the Minute Key kiosk, verify the key type can be copied.